In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set up a paper look render scene. After rendering, I'll show you how to use Photoshop to add additional colors like this, by adjusting the hue and saturation values. Delete the default cube and add a plane. We can scale the size 5 times and set up light bouncing walls like this. By the way, I'm currently using a LookDev Render Preview Mode's HDRI file. I'll share a detailed guide on how you can clone and use the LookDev HDRI file as your default background image, in the description below. We need to create an ICO sphere. Scale it down a bit. Press Ctrl, Alt and numpad 0 to set up the render camera view. Please use Shift to navigate in the render camera view by using the mouse and the keyboard's WASD keys. Change the camera's focal length, when required. We need to do the rest of the usual render setup with the cycles renderer, filmic, curves, denoise and 128 samples. We could either use the HDRI as the light source or use an additional light-emitting object. I'll show you how to use the plane as a light source. Scale it, rotate it like this and add an emission shader. Increase the strength. When we have an additional light source, we need to either decrease the HDRI strength or turn it off. Duplicate the spheres any way you like. In order to change the hue and saturation values in Photoshop, we need to add a new layer filled with another color. Let's add a new layer, fill it with orange and set the layer blending mode to color. Decrease the new layer's opacity. Let's duplicate the new layer and try another color. By the way, with a new layer selected, we can adjust the layer's hue and saturation. This is the end of the paper look render tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.